Uh, Good day everyone, my name is Mark Republica, and now I present the fire incidental to fireworks, fire techniques, explosions. This all about kung ano nga ba yung mga incidents about fire incidental sa mga fireworks or mga ano nga ba yung mga fire techniques explosions. First, we will define the demobilizations. Ano nga ba yung demobilizations? It is the return of all resources to the responsible places of origin. Dito sinasabi yung mga kapag ang mga ating mga BFA personnels tapos na nagawa nila sa isang fire incident area or nasabi nila or natukoy nila na clear na isang area, pwede na sila magsibalik sa kanilang mga stations. Next is yung firework. Ano nga ba yung firework? It is a device consisting of combination of explosives and combustibles na kung saan ay nag-generate ito ng mga colored lights. Kalimitan natin ito nakikita sa mga amusement park or tuwing New Year. Next is high-ranking personnel. Refers to the most senior personnel, other designations that responded to the incident. Either commission officer man ito or non-commission officer. Na kung saan sila rin yung nag-serve as incident commander. As part of Unified Command. Next, protective cover. Any object or structure, man-made man or natural. Ito yung ginagamit ng ating mga BAP personnel for provide protections from fragments associated with explosions. Maaari kasing makaharm ito sa ating mga BAP personnel, kaya maaaring gumamit tayo ng mga protective cover. Pyrotechnics, a combustible substance used in fireworks. Ito yung ginagamit natin sa fireworks. Ito yung substance na yun, na kung saan ay ito yung nagsimula para mag-ignite ang isang rocket and mag-create ng isang explosion. Next is yung responsibilities. Dito naman, sila naman yung mga responsibilities when it comes to fire incidental, when it comes in fireworks or fire techniques explosions. First is yung municipal city o fire station. Sila naman yung first responder or responsible for raising the alarm. Next is yung district and provincial offices. Sila na naman yung responsible for coordinating and deploying additional resources district, province wide. Next is yung regional offices. Sila naman yung responsible for dispatching additional resources region wide. Last is yung national headquarters. Sila naman yung responsible for coordinating and dispatching of additional resources that are beyond capability of the region. Dadako naman tayo sa general procedure. Before mag-conduct ng before pumunta sa isang fire incident area, all responders were appropriate personal protective equipment. Kailangan magsuot tayo ng mga helmet, overall suit, mask, gloves, anything na pwedeng makapag-protect sa isang BFP personnel to avoid harm. Next, the incident commander or IC assumes command and establishes in the incident command system. Si incident commander naman, siya naman yung magko-command sa ating mga BFP personnel kung ano nga ba yung gagawin nila during the fire incident. All responders takes protective cover if personal safety will be jeopardized. Next, the IC activates, deploys search and rescue, emergency medical and evacuation teams if needed. Kapag kailangan lang, doon lang mag-activate ang ating incident commander ng mga search and rescue and emergency medical evacuation teams. Kapag during or actual na ng fire incident to fireworks, the IC conduct damage assessments, needs analysis or DANA, and reports the same to the next higher office. Dito magkakonduct na yung incident commander ng mga damage assessments or and analysis like yung mga casualties, ano nga ba yung mga nasira or mga na-damage sa isang fire incident area. Next, the IC directs the conduct of fire operations in accordance with the phases of firefighting whenever possible. Kumbaga dito, yung incident commander, siya naman magdadirect sa mga ating BAP personnel upang puksain yung mga fire na meron pa dito sa or to firefight the fire when whenever it's possible. Then the IC declares fire under control when there is no probability for fire to escalate. Si incident commander naman, i-declares niya na fire under control if there's no probability for fire or maaring fire na sumiklab pa. Pwede niya sabihin na fire under control kapag nasa control na ng mga BAP personnel yung isang area. Responding personnel performs overhauling until fire is totally extinguished. Dito, yung mga responding personnel ating mga BAP personnel, magpe-perform sila ng mga overhauling. Pag sinabi na ng incident commander natin na under control na, to ensure the safety of the area, i-overhaul pa ito para totally ma-extinguish yung fire. Next, post or after the incident. The IC declares fire out after the determination of total extinguishment. Dito pa nasasabihin ng incident commander na fire out na kapag na-extinguish na talaga yung fire in the said area. Then the IC directs the BAP investigation with the coordinate of BAP or Philippine National Police rather for investigation. Kumbaga maipag-coordinate yung BAP to Philippine National Police for investigations in the area. Then the responding units return to the stations after demobilization only. Number 12, the fire marshal together with the firefighting unit conducts post-fire analysis. Siyempre para ma-ensure natin yung safety na isang area, magkakaroon pa ito ng post-fire analysis para maging secure talaga yung isang area na wala nang sunog or wala nang magsisimula pa uli na sunog. Then the station's chief operations submits after fire operations report to the fire marshal for subsequent submission to the next higher office. After ma-conduct ng isang ng itong dito sa fire incident at the station chief operations mag-submit ng after fire operations report. Next, in conclusions, fire incidental to firework or fire technical explosions are some of the fire causes in our country. Large amount of property, person's life should affect and can be erased. Responding procedures are one of the way to reduce casualty or injury and minimize damage to properties. Response to one area need coordinations with other municipal or city fire stations to anticipate fire. Protective equipment and proper procedure must also need to prevent fire incident. After the fire incident, investigation was conducted with the coordination of PNP. This practice help to determine if there's any casualties in the incident area. And last, for my recommendations, keep naked flame including cigarettes away from the fireworks. And keep list emergency phone like hotline of PAP response. Preventive measures must be provided like warning signs, caution signs, and other preventive measures. And that's all. Thank you very much.